UFC Fighter. Pick your UFC fighter. Hey there, my dudes. It's your boy, Ryan, here to talk about something that's gonna blow your mind, the UFC Fighter Challenge on the BingX cryptocurrency exchange. Let me tell you, this is one heck of an opportunity to get your hands on a sweet chunk of that $100 prize pool. And make sure you stick around till the end of this video because I'm gonna be dropping some more hot tips and insights that are gonna give you a serious edge in this challenge. Now, I know what you're thinking, UFC. Crypto? What the heck do those two things have to do with each other? Well, my friends, let me break it down for you. BingX has teamed up with the Ultimate Fighting Championship to bring you a chance to predict the winners of upcoming UFC events. And get this, the more people who participate, the bigger the prize pool gets. We're talking up to 100. That's like 100 grand, in case you were wondering that could be up for grabs. Here's how it works, my dudes. You'll need to head on over to the BingX website and sign up for an account. When you do, make sure you use the referral code 911. That's important, so don't forget it. Once you're all set up, you can start making your predictions for the upcoming UFC fights. The event is running from July 16th to July 21st, so you've got a little time to get your picks in. Now, I know what you're thinking, UFC fighting. I'm just a casual fan, how the heck am I supposed to know who's gonna win? Don't worry, my friends, Ryan's got your back. I've been following the UFC for years, and I've got a pretty good handle on who's gonna come out on top. I'll be keeping a close eye on the matchups and sharing my insights with you guys, so you can make some killer predictions and get in on that prize pool action. But here's the kicker, my dudes, the more you trade on BingX, the bigger your share of the prize could be. That's right, your trading volume on the platform is gonna play a big role in how much of that 100 grand you walk away with. So, you're gonna want to make sure you're hitting those futures trades hard. And don't forget to use that referral code 911 when you sign up. That's gonna give you a little extra boost. Now, I know what you're thinking. Man, that's a lot of work. Do I really gotta do all that just to have a chance at that prize? Listen up, my friends, because here's the deal. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get your hands on a serious chunk of change, and you'd be crazy to pass it up. Plus, let's be real, who doesn't love a little friendly competition, am I right? So, what are you waiting for, my dudes? Head on over to the BingX website, sign up using that referral code 911, and start making your UFC predictions. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Alright, let's do this, my friends. Let's show the UFC and BingX what we're made of and take home that sweet, sweet prize pool. I'll see you on the other side, my dudes. Peace.